Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products in the market just for you. Today, we're diving into the world of cake decorations with the best gold cake toppers you can find. These exquisite gold cake toppers from Hazyore are the epitome of elegance and charm. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, they bring a touch of sophistication to any celebration. Inside the package, you'll find 6 pieces of happy birthday letter cake toppers, each with its own unique style. But what sets these toppers apart is their durability. Unlike paper toppers that easily tear or wilt, these acrylic toppers can be reused time and time again, making them a sustainable choice for your festivities. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the glitter. These toppers come with a clear protective film that, when peeled off, reveals a dazzling glittery finish. Just imagine the way these toppers will shimmer and shine atop your cake, adding that extra touch of magic to your special day. Whether it's a milestone birthday or a simple gathering with loved ones, these acrylic birthday cupcake toppers effortlessly elevate the ambiance. The happy birthday letters are a timeless motif, instantly setting the mood for celebration and joy. And the best part? These toppers are incredibly versatile. Not only can they adorn cakes of various sizes, but they can also be used to decorate cupcakes, ice cream, desserts, and more. With their glittering allure and chic design, they're sure to be the talk of the party. So, if you're looking to take your cake decorations to the next level, look no further than these gold cake toppers from Hazyore. With their stunning glitter finish and durable acrylic construction, they're the perfect choice for any occasion. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time, happy decorating!